In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitbucket for beginners. By the end, you'll feel comfortable creating a repository, making changes, and collaborating with others using pull requests. First, log into Bitbucket. Once you're in, look toward the navigation and open the Repositories tab. This is your home base for managing code projects. To start a new one, click Create Repository. You'll see a form with a few important fields. Begin by typing in a project name. Think of the project as the broader container that can hold multiple repositories. Next, give your repository a clear descriptive name so teammates know exactly what it contains. Choose the access level that fits your needs. If you're working solo or with a small team, keeping it private ensures only the people you invite can see it. If you're building something meant to be shared, you can open it up more widely. You'll also have the option to add a README. Enabling this is a great idea for beginners because it initializes your repo with a helpful starting file where you can describe the purpose of the project, how to run it, and any setup notes. In the advanced settings, take a moment to review options like the default branch name and other repository preferences. You don't have to change anything now, but it's useful to know these settings exist for future customization. When everything looks good, click Create Repository, and Bitbucket will set it up for you. Next, let's talk about making changes and committing them. In your local repository on your computer, edit the files you want to update. This could be code, documentation, or configuration files. A commit is a snapshot of those changes with a message that explains what you did. After you save your edits, bundle them into a commit with a clear, concise message like fix login validation or add project setup instructions. Writing thoughtful commit messages makes your project history easy to understand and review later. Finally, collaborate via pull requests. A pull request is a conversation around a set of changes. When your updates are ready and synced to Bitbucket, open your repository and start a pull request to propose merging your changes into the main codebase. Give it a straightforward title and a helpful description that explains why the change matters and what to look for. Teammates can review your code, leave comments, and discuss improvements right on the diff. This shared review process helps catch issues early and builds confidence in the code before it becomes part of the main branch. And that's it. Log in, create a repository, make changes and commit, and collaborate through pull requests.